Do they dump this again? Delta's trying to, they're trying to absorb it. Morning, Jake. Morning, everyone. First thing you got to do is smash that like button. That's the first thing. I chickened out on this short. They're just pulling the liquidity. There's something going on. All right. All right, PPI final demand. Factory orders. 10 a.m. Factory orders 10 a.m. PPI final demand came out at 8:30 a.m. Month over month 0.5 or actual 0.7. Uh-oh. Now, do they? So here's one thing we have to keep in mind. Do they? Hold on. Do they turn VWAP below 200 on the 15 minute? Or did they give it some escalalalalapram to settle the mood?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Good morning.
Order submitted.
it. 42.25 with a 44.75 stop.
Order submitted. Order filled.
The Delta players, they're playing a dangerous game, right? Either they're accumulating on a larger time frame, and this is great value, okay, or they know something, or they're going to get steamrolled. Targeting lows. Stop them. A great leg sweep, everybody. Great leg sweep. It worked perfectly. Right here, 42.25. Look, you got you're upwards of 8 points to it, to the good.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Is that right?
Yellow bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Contagion from the 1 minute to the 10 range. So now your 2 minute is forced to do something on the upside here for the very, very short term. Let's try to get some of this off. 44s. Okay, stops up.
Order canceled.
Okay, there we go. Um, many stops are above 44s. The delta's ripping higher, so they accumulated it. Now they're trying to own it on the way up, right? We got yellow. 10 range 1 minute. You've got a buy bar right after the yellow on the 1 minute. Gave us. I did not get filled. It was too quick. I think. Yeah, it did not get filled. It was 39.25. So I'm going for 47s. They just trying to grab a little meat. Of stops before they do whatever they're going to do right before the opening bell. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Well, they're sure trying to own it here. They may push it up just a little bit. Hopefully right up into that little value there. Give us some value town, please. Here's a seller. Here's a seller. Here's the liquidity they were looking for. There they go. There they go. There's the 25. There he is.
Pink bar, 2 minute chart.
Oh, come on now. That goes right into that number right there. Waterfield. So right now, Martin, it's only blue bar. It's only blue bar 2 minute I'm not hearing, which happens to be most of the signals. Okay, I'm flat. That was a big trade. How many of you guys followed me on that trade? Now, could I have gotten out on the short a little bit better? Yes, I could have, in hindsight. All right, but, oh yeah, there's a lot of selling up here. They're going to try to sell, and they might get pushed through. Yeah, shit, pushed in. Sorry. We had contagion, right? And the contagion was yellow up. First started on the 1 minute, which made it even stronger for when we got a really good entry at 41.25 with a 38.25 ad with 35.25. Yeah. Look at it. Deutschland. Deutschland. Let's go. All right, I have to take a FOMO walk after that one. That was a big trade for me. You can see at the bottom there, plus 9, almost 9 hundo after commissions in the PA. Absolutely. I had a drawdown in one of these evals of like I think I had $12 left. Like I spun it up pretty good in the last one. The backfill got me. I'm nice and green. I do have a PA, an eval that was tied to that. So, folks, here's my okay. Those of you that used to use Replicanto and you got too many orange errors, orders. Here's the thought. Okay. Number one, they had some fixing to do in the copying, right? They were trying to make it a bracket. When you can't make it a bracket, they had to just make it an OSO OCO. Okay. Now, next thing. If you don't have fiber, don't do it. If you don't have fiber, don't do it. That's my final verdict. Don't copy trade unless you're on the trade of 8-1. Okay. Yeah, Robert. Now. So here's the deal. Now that you've put that in your brain, you have to. All right. Don't forget, those of you that are Team Green, if you want to support the stream, you can also gift memberships by the bundle. All right. Hit the $sign. All right. 55 is my over/under hard. 55 hard. I'll explain it. If you didn't see what I was doing during the pre-stream, well, you missed it. But it's the largest transaction across a bid or an offer. $53.75 is 1R. I'm not so sure about that. Let's see if they do it. Oh, they hit it to the tick, to the tizzle snick. With 2 contracts. Oh, they smacked them. What is the hotkey for that? Isn't that fun? And the 1 minute, remember, the 1 minute fired when I was short. I had to make a decision. Do I go with what I made on the video? Fuck yes. If it's not repeatable, we can't put it on the video. It's like, I like it when these guys do these one-off videos. Well, there's one trade. Yeah, it's like, yeah, but is that you're going to get your people caught
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
You're going to get your people caught up in some business that you can't handle, guys. This is choppy. Let the Claritin come and clear the nasal passages. You still have this big blue bar unfinished. 5 minute, So now they either crack into the FV Jezel, or it fails right here. One or the other. That's the 5-minute hook. Let's see what we got on the 2. Oh no, the 2 is waywards. To the downside. 15 minutes up actually. We'd need to go above 80 with oomph, as Pops would say.
Order submitted.
Damn you.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on. This is the eval, not the PA. I don't think the PA needs any more juice. It's already juiced. Now, the reason I'm okay with this is I got 2 longs on the 1 minute here. 3 longs on the 1 minute, so I'm just kind of micro scalpatinos. Stops are in, worries out. It's up against that moving average, though, so tiny little scalp retains. Why is there a seller at 1
Target
even?
filled.
There he goes. Why is there a seller at 1 even? Look at that 1 tick, Nick. Come on. Get out of there. Go to 53. Ooh. You gonna 1 tick Rick me for Rizzo? On the Rizzo? Okay, we're at a big round number. I like it. Especially for it to fire right at 50. That's kind of unique. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Ooh, they're trying to sell. Delta at a higher high. Holy moly. They're not giving up on that Delta. Look at that. They're like, we need to own this. Oh, no. Right. You got a 54.25 target on your 1 minute. I just need, hey, I just need 53. It's not a big deal. Oh, I just need 53. That's all. Okay, they're leaning into it here. Let's see if we get 53. Come on now.
Target filled.
Hello, ladies.
Order canceled.
Okay. Phew, it worked. We're still alive. We use exactly what's on the video. Look at that Rounderton on the 5. Rounderton on the 5. I have to take a break or I'm gonna puke. We're to the good. We're at about 2,000 between 2 accounts. I took that one in the eval. Full disclosure. Full disclosure. Not in the PA. Not in the PA. I'm gonna step away for just a minute, guys. I can't lock in this long. I want to be able to lock in again on another trade when it goes down in our direction. Oh, dev tools, Elijah. Turning lock in off is dev tools for Microsoft Edge. Okay, that's a smooth rise, folks. Either this is going to continue or it's going to go. Boop. They're trying to own it. Okay, but could the big seller come in and just say, thank you very much? I mean, they could. You guys like that turnaround, huh? We were short, then we were long. Long. 41.25 was a long, as you can clearly see on the Uno Momentos El Torto Gráfica. Hey Siri, how do you say 1 minute chart? How do you say 1 minute chart in Spanish?
Gráfico de un minuto.
Gráfico de un minuto.
Gráfico de un minuto.
Here, I'll just have her say it.
Gráfico de un minuto.
Ah, sí. Gracias. Gracias, amiga. Gracias, amiga. I gotta step away for a second before I start singing. Lord, help us. Lord, help us. Where's FOMO Man? Elijah. FOMO Man is dead. Oh, actually, all of the animations are dead besides FOMO Walker, if you could take a look. Poor Fabs. I'm going to take a step. Folks. I want this thing to really tell us what it's doing. Because right now, you've got them accumulating. And how do you see that they're accumulating? Look at the delta. Okay, I want to be very clear. The delta is telling us what they're actually doing. Now, we don't know what their objections are. Or their objections. And we don't know what their objective. Your Honor, we have no further objections to the sell side. That means I need to walk away. I'll be right back. Safety meeting. Anyone else? Be safe, please. I'm gonna go get safer. Let's turn the ambiance green. First, I got to put my J. Cole on. I'm going to go for a walk, guys. If you haven't listened to the new J. Cole album, it's not terrible. Elijah, there's updates every day because of that new one that they have. I'll be right back. Everybody relax. Relax. Don't feel like you got to be in the move. It'll tell us. Right now, that's counter trend, and most people here are not qualified to be counter trend trading.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Okay. Did we move anywhere? No, no, actually, we didn't move anywhere. Interesting. This is some spicy tape. Why did live go down again? Elijah, do you know? Can you email them and ask why my live keeps going down? Ninja is getting rid of Continuum. I do have to fix that. So if you have Ninja Trader or something like that, I'm not really sure. There's an email that's sent to everyone. PQG. All right, don't forget Apex, 85, 90% off. Everything is completely different. There's no reoccurring billing. The drawdowns are a little bit different. They do have an end of day drawdown, which I like. The 100,000 account that you see me trading right now is an EOD. Yeah. So you got you got to be a sniper. Like they're really testing you with these accounts, but they're not unfair. I like them. I like them. There's no reoccurring billing. Either you pass it or you fail it within 30 days, and it's very cut and dry as to what they ask for now. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Delta's still rising. Do they pull this thing from the bootstraps? Because what it looks like is there's some liquidity issues. So it's the data brokerage, the data platform, like who we get our data from.
Order submitted.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Best I ever had. Best I ever had.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Hmm? There was no stop right there. That was weird. There was no stop filled. I don't know what. There was a stop at 51.75. What does that mean? Oh,
Target.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
oh, that costed me $400 in real money. What the hell? Yellow bar. What?
Order submitted.
$49.75.
Order submitted.
Missed it. I was trading in the wrong thing. I don't know what the hell is it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Bang! That was awesome. I love it when that happens.
Blue bar, 2-minute chart.
There we go. There's the sellers. Hello, sellers. Come to Butthead. Come to Butthead. Okay, now I gotta trade the correct. $46.75.
Order filled.
$49.75.
Order submitted.
In my email.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Come on. Get down there. I absolutely was trading the wrong account. I wasn't supposed to trade that account again. Oh, that one was mucho green.
Pink bar, 10.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay. I did not get filled on the long. The reversal at 51.50. not. Boy. Okay. So what? Let's take a look at. I am still very green. Just I was in the wrong account. I wasn't trying to trade that account again because it was super green. Son of a biscuit eating business owner. 50
Blue
we're-
bar, 1 minute chart.
We're above 55.
Order filled.
Hmm. Okay, stop down. Free trade. Get it. Come on, hit that target. Come on.
Target filled.
Got him. Got him. Swept the leg. Stayed true to the 2-minute sell.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Okay, stayed true to the 2-minute sell. Ignored the 1 minute and 10 range longs. They got smoked. Guys, look at the people. Think of the people that are in this
Pink bar,
bar.
10 range chart.
Order filled.
I got some of the money back that I lost. I wasn't supposed to be in that account. So,
Order submitted.
back in the eval. I got him.
Pink bar, 2 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on. Print that.
Target filled.
There we go.
Order canceled.
Okay, 38. $34.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Not going to get filled in the eval. What are you doing? Okay, there's a buyer. There's a liquidity they're looking for. There's a liquidity they're looking for. Let's see if they dump it. Ah, right into that fair value gap. They couldn't get it any.
Order filled.
Lower low. We're on a low, on lows on price. Delta is just now scratching the surface. So what if they have to liquidate? $34 is your 2-minute 1R. Come on, 10 seconds till the 15-minute bar closes here. Here we go. Here we go. Decision right now. It's going to get us out before that 10 seconds is up. Oh, no. New bar. That's an engulfing bar. Either they're going to pull it back a little bit, accumulate some liquidity, or they're going to dump it.
Order filled.
34 was 1R.
Order submitted.
$34 was 1R. Swinging through the trees like your neighborhood Spider-Man. Boom. There it goes. There's the sellers. Come on, sellers. Look at the delta, still trying to get higher. And we're sitting on lows of the session. Oh, they're absorbing. So
Connection lost.
why does it keep doing that? Thank you, sir. Price versus delta. Here's a major problem, right? Let me show you. We're inside of this until Joey's lines let loose, right? Let me show you. I think there's an owl right out my window, or a dove. Look. Okay, until we get out of this bracket, right? Don't get your hopes up. Trade it, don't date it. Inflate it, don't rate it. Come on, 34. Where are you at? Where's the price 34? You're getting heavy. Your price is getting sleepy. You want to go down. Sitting at the low to low on the 15-second chart. They're running time off the clock before they smack somebody. Holy smack-a-noties. Smack me, smack me. Uh-oh. Bohica. Do we get a GBI here on the 15-minute chart? If possible. You got over 30 minutes till it forms. Ooh, there's a sword on the tiniest time frame, but that might get quashed. No, it doesn't. It performs well. Skiboink. Mr. Martin, Mr. Eli. Yo. He says neat. Thank you. Yes, neat. I like it. Neat. I like neat. Neat's good. Yeah, on the 15-minute, right? It was like, oh yeah, here. And 55 was the over under, right? So anyone that went long on the smaller time frame above 55, and I'll show you guys here in a minute why 55. It'll make a lot more sense once you see it. And why we crashed right through it. Okay? Well, to it, through it, through it, through it, do it. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Oh no. Come on. Come on, 34s. You know what to do. You know the name of the game. Yo, B chose me. Yeah. inside, right? So if we look in, right, if we look at that alpha, what we're looking at is, I'll show you where it comes from. First of all, that way it makes a lot more sense. Okay, do you see this big white thing here? That is the most trades on the delta at that price. And so we have it as 55. And then inside of the leg sweep on the 15-minute chart on breakdown type structure where we have an Adam, Eve, right? Adam, Eve, double top, Adam, pointy, Eve, womb, okay? Womb, pointy, inside womb, Octoy. Don't clip that, please. Or clip that and enjoy it, right? Whatever makes you remember. That's an Adam, Eve, top, double top. And then you have signals afterwards. Oh, excuse me, I got sidetracked. Come on, 425. What are you doing here? What are we playing grab ass or what are we doing here? Come on. Did I just get one tick ricked again? Two. Oh, yep, I did. Come on, not this time. You gonna give it to me. You gonna give it to me. X gonna give it to you. You gonna give it to you. I want to hear order canceled. Come on.
Order canceled.
Order canceled. Did you guys hear that? I heard that. Okay, what do we got next? Yonder. 24, 25. We have 25 as our final. I got 25s. Close enough. You got a 5-minute sell at 35.50. You're hitting 1R here at 30.75 already. Look at you, look at you, look at you. Crikey. Crikey, mate. We're at the lower Kiltner. Kiltner. Ain't she a beaut? Smack her. Stops down. Cancel ads.
Order canceled.
Smack it up. Flip it. Rub it down. Oh, no. Stop at, R1. Excuse me. Stop at R1. 34. That way we lock in 1R no matter what. Come on. Give me 2R. Come on, lower Keltner. Get ready to move the stop down, and we're going to move it right below, right above, right there, right above this seller, right above this seller. Give it to me. Give it to me. X gonna give it to you. He gonna get
Target filled.
X gonna give it to you. He gonna give it to you. X gonna give it to you. Let's go. Perfect trading. All right, that was fun. That was real, and it was fun, and it was real fun. X gonna give it to you. He gonna give it to you. X gonna give it to you. Okay. So yeah, that was a good one. Now we wait. Who had fun? If you're not having fun, you need a coach. Like I said, listen. Yeah, the joy levels are real. Here's the deal. He mathematically stumbled upon some shit that people didn't want him to find, and he found it. And now, when we broke this level, right? Here's what happened. We broke in outside of the 6730. 6730 just got smoked like a pack of cigarettes. So now on the 15-minute chart, your 6730 spot 75. 2. Holy shit. We're right there at it already. Just under the 6720s. You got 6719s. You got 6717s coming quick, coming hot and steady. Fast and fresh, just like some frickin' pie. Yeah, baby. When Mancini hits his 5 a.m. with the, the 8 a.m. with the, finally blessed with some volatility. All right, now, yeah, Yeah. This is we take advantage of it. Yeah. X go give it to you. Go give it to you. X go give it to you. Go give it. Too easy, he says. I like that attitude. Just don't get smackertoned. The Joey area, ladies and gentlemen, bringing us into exactly 6719. Bounce. Look at this. Whoa! Right off of his level to the tick, to the tick, to the tick, tick, tick. Look, if you don't think these levels are real, this is not the room for you. Now, here's the deal. You can't just put these levels in your chart and make money. That's not how this works. Okay? Joey spent over 11, 12 years thinking about this. Don't think you're just going to come in here and take his money. Okay? We can follow along with what Joey says over in the Discord. Okay? Free Discord. And that's what we can do. So, do we go quickly to 6692? Or not? Okay, that's a flat 4 hour, guys. Hi, my name is. There's the Exerton. Okay, we just broke structure here. I could draw another line here. Boom. Skiboom, skiboom. So we have a day or two. If that's the 4 hour, we got a day or two before it figures out what it's going to do. If we're looking at the Joey X. Okay, and the box now the box on the 5 minute, just to be clear, on the box on the 5 minute was your fair value gap, right? And it did not close above it, so we were looking for structure break downwards. Okay, see how it didn't close above it? Bink, smack, tape, paint, rub it down. Oh no, do me, baby. Well, Bib DeVoe. Ha 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 ha. Now you know. Okay, I feel the FOMO. Did we get FOMO man fixed, Mr. Eli? Bulk animations. Why can we not see it? I'll let you know. I'm going to touch grass real quick. I think this bounces. And let it do its thing. Let us do its thing. What now? Here's the thing. What we need to start mapping out, and I want you guys to start talking about, and I'll come back and read it so I can just use the information that you guys have derived. Okay, where is Mancini saying that we reclaim? Okay, talk amongst yourselves. I'll be back. Talk amongst yourselves. Amongst yourselves. How did he know it was going to bounce? How did he know it was going to bounce? Oh yeah, I keep forgetting it's Ramadan. Sorry, Elijah. You know, us Westerners. You know, yeah, Tyson, imagine being in a world where your first one or two trades win and you don't have to just sit here and try to kill it. Ring ring. Okay. 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 Oh, okay.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
There's really not a whole lot to say besides get it back in when you can and hold on, right? Your 15 minutes says sell only. One tick lower low.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
This is valid for me. I have to take this. Win or lose. It's a line
Blue
break.
bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted.
Delta pushing. Let's see if they get lucky.
Target filled.
Okay. 29's out. Oh, I like being in the same trade as Cam. I like this. I like the line break. Till it breaks on me. Do we come back to the Joey X real quick, or do we just rip into the rest of the W there?
Order canceled.
Okay, free trade. If I get another push, I'm going to push it up to 29.
Target filled.
Got him. See, your 1 minute, went long at 24.50. You see it? No heat. Your 10 range goes long at 26. You see that?
Order filled. Target filled.
Yeah, I don't think it's the hotkeys. I think it's just slobs. I just passed 11 a.m. Hope everybody's safe. I am very safe. And safe. I want to remind everyone that we have FOMC at 2 p.m. All of this means bubkiss.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order filled. Target filled.
Ooh, look at the 4 hour. This is sick. This is beautiful. This is everything. 42.25 targ.
Order canceled.
Bang! There's one R for the dogs. Okay, watch your 45s. Watch your 45s. Make sure you have all of your weight, most of your weight off by 45. All right, let's do a little review. Everyone says, when would you go long? When would you go long? Okay, let me tell you when I would go long. When it goes like this. Well, let's watch it. No. No. Right? That's too steep, right? What are we looking for in there, right? And then like this. No. Okay. You could have sold that. Okay, now watch. Yes. And yes. Okay, hope that helps. Right back. Just step away for, I don't know, 21 seconds or whatever it is. Watch your leg sweep on your 15-minute from 41.75s. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You don't want this 2-minute flagging too far because then what's going to happen is it's going to go right through that 15-minute shoulder line. Look. Okay. This is a perfect place to switch the stream over to X, everybody. It has been a fantastic stream. I am very green. I am very green. Okay. And yes, I do believe I had a stop out or two. Okay, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for this stream. Elijah, I made a nice little 1-minute clip for you. We'll see everybody over on X. Let me get the link in there. And remember, my stream, my charts are always streaming over there. Okay. That's going to do it for me. I hope everybody got out at 42.25 with me. Thanks.